Cracking 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Baseball 5-box, half a case. Pick your team break number 109 on the website. May 16th, 2024, left-hand side of your screen. First name with the first initial of your last name next to the team or teams you have purchased. Thank you so much for all your support. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. I will give everybody a second to look over the list so they know which team or teams they have, and then we will get started. All right, let's get to it. We'll keep our team list up there, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Baseball. 1 baseball card per box. Love the Lightning products. Product line. Plastic coming off box number 1. We've got our hit right here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 1, hit number 1. Here we go. Right out of the gate. Ooh. Alec Bohm, the Phillies. 2-color patch. Rookie auto, and that is number 10 out of 120. What a beautiful hit. Out of 2021 Topps Inception Baseball, too. How gorgeous of a hit is that? Alec Bohm, 10 out of 120. What a hit. Wow. Congrats to the Phillies. Congrats, Jason W. Absolutely gorgeous looking card there. Congrats to your Phillies. Wow. Nice hit. Box number 2. Plastic coming off. We've got our hit right there. Empty box. Here we go. Box number 2. Hit number 2 coming at you. Hit number 2, we've got... No way. Gorgeous Ohtani. Topps rookie. Gorgeous Topps rookie Ohtani. 2018 Topps rookie Ohtani there. Really nice. Very nice Ohtani there. Congrats to the Angels. Chris N. Congrats. A gorgeous Ohtani there. Topps rookie. Very nice. All right. Box number 3. Here we go. Pack right there. Empty box. Box number 3. All right, hit number 3, we've got a Yordan Alvarez. PSA DNA certified auto there, too. How about that for the Astros? John B. Nice hit. Very nice Yordan Alvarez. 2020 Topps. His rookie, too, with the PSA DNA certified auto. Gorgeous hit there. John B, congrats. Very nice, Yordan Alvarez. That's really, really nice. Congrats. Very nice. Yordan Alvarez, auto for the Astros. All right, guys. Box number 4. Empty box. Here we go. Hit number 4 coming at you. Hit number 4. Here we go. Another auto. Beckett 10 auto, too. Mr. Kyle Lewis got the golden spikes. Inscription there, too. Beckett 10 auto. How about that for your Mariners? Nice Kyle Lewis. Beckett 10 authentic auto. Graded to 10. On his first Bowman there, too. 2016 there. His Bowman Chrome draft. Love that auto. Love the golden spikes. Congrats to the Mariners. Gorgeous hit there. Todd H. Congrats. Very nice hit. All right, guys. Box number 5. Box number 5. Love the Lightning product, guys. We will be putting up the second half of the case as well on the website. So don't miss out on those when they get posted tomorrow. Here we go, guys. Box 5, hit number 5 coming at you. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Hit number 5. Another Beckett authentic auto. This time, Jose Canseco. How about a Jose Canseco Beckett authentic auto? First 40, I believe, is the inscription there. Jose Canseco auto. Very, very nice hit. Very nice hit for the A's there. Nice Jose Canseco. For your A's, Larry B. Larry B, congrats. Very nice. Jose Canseco with the first 40/40 inscription. Beckett authentic auto on his 1986 Donruss rookie. Very nice hit. Let's run back through our hits here, guys. Gorgeous Jose Canseco, his 86 Donruss rookie. Beckett authentic auto with a beautiful inscription. Congrats to the A's. We had your 2016 Bowman Chrome draft Kyle Lewis with the Beckett 10 authentic auto. Got the golden spikes inscription there, too. Love that auto for the Mariners. Congrats to the Mariners. Congrats, Todd H. We had your Yordan Alvarez auto for the Astros on his Topps rookie card there, too. PSA DNA certified auto. Congrats to the Astros, John B. Very nice hit there. Gorgeous Ohtani. Topps rookie. Very nice hit for the Angels. Nice Ohtani rookie there. Chris N, congrats. And our first hit was an Alec Bohm for the Phillies. Beautiful card. 2-color patch, rookie auto out of Topps Inception. 10 out of 120 for your Phillies. Congrats, Jason W. 2021 Topps Inception. Gorgeous hit there. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. We do have other breaks filling on the website. Don't miss out on those, guys. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Once again, new breaks will be posted tomorrow, which will be the second half of the Lightning case as well. Not going to miss out on that one, guys. Love this Lightning product. Thank you so much again for all your support. I'll be sticking around in case if you guys have any questions, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.